Connect the power cable. Line the cable along the plastic edge to the right-hand side of the vehicle. Cover the weather strip. Get the interface across the plastic edge to reach the console. Gently pull off the cover plate of the console. Take out the console and disconnect the car's power cables. Confirm the power supplied by car is 12 volt by multimeter. Connect the B+ wire of the power cable to the car's B+ wire. Similarly, connect the ACC wire. Connect the ground wire. Connect the video signal port to the camera's extension cable. Connect the reversing signal wire to the reversing light wire. After finishing front connection, gently recover the console. Line the extension cable along the side, across the body to reach trunk cover. Take the cover back down and fix the cables by some black tape. Mount the reverse camera on the trunk and screw it up. Connect the video signal port. Connect the power supply line. All the installation procedures finished now. While if you don't need to use the reversing camera, things are far easier. Simply connect the rear view mirror to the car's power by cigarette lighter. Switch it on and now